everybody, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon, where all roads lead to crispy happiness. And on today's episode, we're going to be making bacon blackberry brie sandwiches. Oh, if you could smell these. Like, I'm so sad there's no such thing as YouTube smell-o-vision. You know, somebody needs to invent that. But thanks so much to my friends Tisha Morgan and Gretchen Garrett for posting this recipe on your Facebook pages, because I saw it and said, wow, that looks like a delicious sandwich. I tweaked the recipe just a little bit to make it my own. So stay tuned so you too can make these amazing, delicious bacon blackberry brie grilled cheese sandwiches. Stay tuned. So we're going to fry up our bacon. I am using some Newski's Applewood smoked bacon, and it is actually triple thick cut. So this should be really good on our sandwich. I'm gonna fry this up. Alrighty, so on medium heat, I'm gonna start frying our Newski's Applewood smoked bacon. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna start slicing my French bread that I got for our sandwiches. So let's let this cook up and we'll start slicing our bread. I think we're probably gonna want, it's kind of oblong shaped and wider in the middle. So I'm gonna cut it more towards the middle so I can get maybe some fatter pieces for our sandwiches. And you're going to actually grill this bread in your pan. So make sure it's nice and thick. All right, I'm waiting on my bacon to fry up now. While you're waiting on your bacon to fry, you can slice up your brie for the sandwich. So you want to get the casing off, and I think what I'm just going to do is cut it in half to start with. Maybe even cut it in quarters. And then I'm just going to shave off the outer casing. So we don't want that. And I'm gonna get these slices prepared and ready for when we wanna put them on the sandwiches. Okay, we'll be back. Our bacon is looking ready. So let's transfer that to a, just give it one more flip. Let's transfer it to a paper towel. And then you're going to blot your bacon, get that extra grease off of there, and then you're going to reserve some of this bacon grease to make your sandwiches in. Let's put our sandwich together now. So you're going to take your bread and your blackberry preserves and just spread it on your sandwich half. As little or as much as you think you would like. I think I'm gonna kind of like a lot. And then you're gonna put your bacon on that. Then you're gonna put your cheese over that. And I think I will also do a layer of preserves on this side of my bread as well to really get it that delicious sweet flavor on there. Put your sandwich together. And you're going to take a pat of butter and throw it in there. Okay. Along with the bacon drippings. And get that sandwich in there. You're gonna cook each side for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, at least until golden brown. And then you're gonna flip it over. Okay, I'm gonna get the other half ready and put it in my pan. Okay, it's time to flip one of my sandwiches over. Carefully flip it over. And you may even want to add some more butter at this point in time if you feel like the one half has sucked it up already. And you can add a little more in there. Let's see if this guy's ready to flip. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Looks and smells fabulous. All right, we're gonna let these go for another couple minutes, and then we'll be able to try these sandwiches. Cannot wait. While the other side is cooking, I'm going to take a clove of garlic, and I'm actually gonna rub it on the outside of my, top side of my bread here, because I absolutely love garlic. And this is just going to give it a nice kind of garlicky flavor without it being overwhelming, but just giving it a hint. Just rub it on there. I have rubbed the other side of my sandwich with my garlic clove. Now, let's cut this sandwich in half. Oh, it's a little slippery. Oh, the cheese has melted. Nice and gooey. Okay, we're gonna taste test. And now for our taste test. Look how gooey the cheese turned out. Oh, and that garlic that I rubbed on the top of the sandwich bread just is so fragrant and amazing. Okay, here we go. That is so good. You have everything in this sandwich. So you have the sweet from the blackberry preserves. You have that savory, smoky meat taste in the bacon. You've got the crunch from the French bread. And since I rubbed the garlic on the top of it, you've got that wonderful fragrant. You can smell the garlic when you're about to bite it. And it's just a light garlic flavor in the background. The Brie cheese is just smooth and gooey and just melts in your mouth. Wow, this is a very easy and quick recipe to make. I think adults and children alike would really like this. So definitely, you guys, you have to try this. Really good. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. And be sure to comment below with the types of recipes you want to see on this channel. Thanks, you guys, and see you next Thursday. Bye.